Hi guys, in this video how to create a search box in Excel when I have put the item name only and they are also highlighters. So for this we can select first the data, then go to home, and here we can click conditional format. Here click on new role. Here we can use a formula. Here type equal and select this cell. We can remove the second dollar, so for this we can press F4 two times and then equal again, and then select the cell which you can type the items, and then go to conditional format. Here we can for highlight the row, so we can select this color, OK, and then OK. So here we can type only the name of items like PC, enter. Here we can see that they are highlighted. The next one is I have put CPU, enter, so they are highlighted. So this is very helpful to create the search box. Thank you.